Back here at the Farmhouse Flip. I know it's been a while. We had a COVID Christmas, meaning we didn't have one yet. We were all sick. We got the Oculus. And we got a fireplace going. Sponsored by DeWalt. So these stairs, I ended up going over them with pine. I wanted oak, but I couldn't afford the wood. So I got the closest looking wood, and I cut each one out in the garage and brought them in. I sanded, I wood filled, and now I am staining red oak, and it's turning out awesome. Another update, the game room floor is done. No, the playroom, sorry. Kind of made it a rustic, natural look. That's what it looked like before. That's what it's looking like finished. 3 coats of poly, sanded for days. We got clean. There's the little fairy guy. Hey Luna, what up, dude? Not much changed in here. I still got to do these steps. Boom, boom. Hey, Bob. What's up, dude?
What?
What's up? I was just showing Farmhouse Flippers the stairs. What do you think about that?
That's cool.
Yeah? You're just playing Roblox?
No.
Oh. You're twitting?
No.
Snap twitting?
Snap to
What are you doing? Texting your girlfriend? Oh, no. Who you playing? What are you playing? Roblox or
Roblox.
Oh, you're on that Snapchatter.
No.
Oh,
Roblox.
Roblox, of course. Where all my money goes. It's hard to see with the I forgot to turn the light on up there. But yeah, it's turning out super cool. I better keep on it. Gonna stain 3 coats of poly, and then we're gonna put a carpet runner up it to the barn room. Like, subscribe, you know. We got a little snow the other day too. Pulled the kids at the 4-wheeler. A couple sleds hooked up. Alright, I'll check back later.